Good morning, children. Today we will be learning about nests. Children, you must have seen birds' nests on the trees or roofs of buildings. Sometimes these nests are seen in shades and unoccupied houses as well. Birds choose safe places away from their enemies and bad weather to build the nest. Birds lay eggs in nests, hatch them, and take care of the chicks till they are big enough to fly. Birds build their nest with leaves, twigs, wool, straw, etc. Birds make nests according to their needs and surroundings. Children, birds like woodpecker make holes in the bark of trees. Children, we have already studied that a woodpecker has chisel-shaped beak, right? So, it keeps on pounding the tree trunk with its hard and chisel-shaped beak to make its nest. Birds like eagle or hawk, which fly very high in the sky, make their nest on the rocks or on top of tall trees. Their nests are called eyries. Weaver birds use grass and twigs to weave a strong nest on the tree with its beak. Unlike others, the nest of a weaver bird hangs from the trees. Children, weaver birds are known to build the best nests. Tailor birds stitch the leaves together to make their nest. They use their sharp beak as needle to stitch the leaves. They stitch leaves together using spider's thread. It is because of this special skill that these birds are called tailor birds. Children, now let us study about penguins. Children, penguins make their nest in the open ground with the help of stones and pebbles. Now, why do they make their nest on the ground? Because penguins cannot fly. Okay, since the penguins cannot fly, they build their nest on the ground. Children, penguins live in big colonies. Children, birds like crows and pigeons make nests in a cup-shaped structure using twigs, grass, etc. Children, always remember that birds do not make nests to live in them. They make nests only to lay eggs and take care of the young ones. We should neither go near the nest of the birds nor touch the eggs kept there. Children, birds are part of our nature and we should take care of them.